Alchemical Wizard 31, Applied Kinesiology. Let us consider another vibrational medicine modality for our biofield physiological health. Psychological kinesiology, applied kinesiology, self-applied kinesiology and muscle response testing. Psychological kinesiology is a self-help tool developed by Robert M. Williams in 1988 with the goal of changing beliefs in the subconscious mind. Subconscious beliefs are often the invisible cause of self-sabotaging behaviors. The psychological kinesiology program was designed to help people change the way they feel, behave, and interact in life. Most traditional tools such as insight therapy, affirmations, willpower, journaling, visualizations and therapeutic vocabulary are limited to the conscious mind. Psychological kinesiology focuses on changing subconscious beliefs with the hope of likewise changing behavior, feelings, and interpretations in life. This enables the individual to change her state of mind at the first indication of stress. A beginning step towards mastering one's emotional state of consciousness, thereby uplifting one's vibration during times of distress or where cognitive dissonance comes into play. Psychological kinesiology is used to communicate with the subconscious mind. Specific body postures and movements cause neuron firings in both hemispheres of the brain, creating a state in which change can more readily occur. Mr. Williams claims that, using this method, it is possible for subconscious beliefs to be recognized, and a debilitating belief could be replaced with one more desirable, such as a self-empowering affirmation. A unique aspect of psychological kinesiology is that a permission step is included to ensure that the changes are in the best interest of the person at that time. Also, there are several verifying steps to catalog the changes taking place. This is used to satisfy the skepticism of the conscious mind. Psychological kinesiology incorporates educational kinesiology, neurolinguistic programming, NLP, acupressure, Ericksonian hypnotherapy, and various psychospiritual healing systems. Advanced psychological kinesiology tools are streamlined and efficient, and they are therefore helpful in specific situations like breathing exercises, acupressure points, body postures, and body movement. Kinesiology is a very powerful tool to access information from our biological bodies. Our biological body contains information about blocked or overabundant energy levels for the immune system, endocrine system, and the nervous system, which we talk about continually with our holistic approach to easing into this ascension process. Our biological body can tell us, if we listen, about the levels of vitamins and minerals needed for a more optimal supportive role. Kinesiology is the scientific study of human movement, function, and performance. It focuses on how our biological body moves. A kinesiological approach uses scientific and evidence-based principles to analyze and enhance human movement. Kinesiologists assess human movement and performance by applying sciences such as anatomy, physiology, motor learning, and biomechanics. Kinesiologists are often involved in rehabilitation, preventing injury, and enhancing function or performance in sports, work, recreation, and exercise. While kinesiology is an area of scientific study, applied kinesiology is a practice used to manually test muscle strength. Through this muscle testing, you can get feedback from the biological body and pinpoint any underlying issues. Applied kinesiology uses muscle testing techniques to restore balance and the natural flow of energy in the body. The kinesiologist then determines appropriate physical therapies, herbal medicine, dietary changes, or other treatment methods to address the person's health issues and prevent future problems. The applied kinesiologist finds a muscle that tests weak and then attempts to determine why that muscle is not functioning properly. A weak muscle is an outward signal that the brain cannot handle two conflicting messages at the same time. The practitioner will then evaluate and apply the therapy that will best eliminate the muscle weakness and help the patient. Therapies utilized can include specific joint manipulation or mobilization, various myofascial therapies, cranial techniques, meridian therapy, clinical nutrition, dietary management, and various reflex procedures. In some cases, the examiner may test for environmental or food sensitivities by using a previously strong muscle to find what weakens it. Applied kinesiology uses a triad of health, which is chemical, mental and structural factors to describe the proper balance of the major health categories. The triad is represented by an equilateral triangle with structural health as its base, and the upright sides representing chemical and mental health. When a person experiences poor health, it is due to an imbalance in one or more of these three factors. The triad of health is interactive and all sides must be evaluated for the underlying cause of a problem. A health problem on one side of the triad can affect the other sides. For example, a chemical imbalance may cause mental symptoms. Applied kinesiology enables the practitioner to evaluate the triad's balance and direct therapy toward the imbalanced side or sides. Self-applied kinesiology and self-muscle testing is a method of checking the truth about a particular statement, belief, or thing. This muscle testing can be used for getting information about our overall biofield physiological health system, such as traumas, stresses and nutritional deficiencies manifesting as energies blocking our optimal energetic pattern. Our energetic patterning, our chakra rotations, our dormant RNA/DNA not coming online, etc. Please consider muscle testing and applied kinesiology practitioners as well, if you are still having difficulties with your health. It might very well help you and lead you into your own research. There are a lot of naturopathic doctors, chiropractors, and complementary therapists who know these methods as well. And as always, stay hydrated with structured water, my friends. Oxygenate those cells of yours. Most cells in our biological bodies can get replaced within a year except for all of the ones that are terminally differentiated. That is why the health of our mind, the health of our spirit, the health of our emotional body and the health of our biological body is so important to schedule linear time out for. Especially now as we embody more photonic energetics in this amazing ascension process. Blessing everyone. Travis Carper. January 8, 2020. Blog on 3decrees.org. This audio file was created by Panopreter Basic. You can download it at www.panopreter.com.